Sure, just drink milk. Just drink milk or, eat a lot of green leafy vegetables and that sort of thing.
Sorry about that. Guess what? It's time to show you another one of Jeff's radios. This is the last of the group of radios that he brought me last time. And it's been quite a while. I've been pretty negligent of getting these videos out. I've been sick. I don't know if that's a good excuse, but that's what I'm going to use. This is a Juliet clock radio, and it's AM only. Over here is the dial for turning the radio on or off and turning it to auto, which means whatever you set the timer to, it will come on at that time to radio. And then you can also set it to, instead of radio, coming on with an alarm to wake you up. Over here we have the sleep timer. This is the old-fashioned sleep timer that you can set from 0 to 60 minutes, and then the radio will go off so you can fall asleep. Tuning dial right here, on-off volume right here. This is the button to turn the alarm off when it comes on. And then on the back, we have the knob for setting the alarm. It's AC only. And let's just tune, see what we get.
Now, it says a fast absorbing calcium and magnesium.
Turn it up a little more.
Upstairs, 1-1, because Correa, the shortstop, like you just mentioned, still shading behind.
Hace imposible que mantengamos un...
These days. Yeah. It's good to have you here.
Me, this secret...
My guy.
o significativa.
Se periodo spujariamo.
Okay, that's it. Not bad. It's of course struggling because I'm in my office with all kinds of electronics on. He also mentioned in his notes that the antenna, the AM antenna, is oriented this way instead of normally this way. And that's why I was doing a good job of tuning when I was facing this way, where most of the other radios I've reviewed, AM radios, I have to turn them this way to get the antenna oriented correctly, but then it's not facing the camera. So that's a long little unique thing about this. This is in perfect condition. And I want to thank Jeff. He brings me like 15 or 16 radios every couple months. I've had this set for quite a while. Like I say, I've been negligent getting the videos out, and I had 2 left, though. I thought I would get the videos out today, and we'd be all caught up, Jeff. Finally. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.